So this life that we are living in, did Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mention it in the Qur'an? And if the answer is yes, in which context? The first one I'm going to share with you, Allah said, إِنَّمَا مَثَلُ الْحَيَاةِ الدُّنْيَا كَمَاءٍ أَنزَلْنَاهُ مِنَ السَّمَاءِ فاختلط به نبات الأرض مما يأكل الناس والأنعام حتى إذا أخذت الأرض زخرفها وزينت وظن أهلها أنهم قادرون عليها أتاها أمرنا ليلا أو نهارا فجعلناها حصيدا كأن لم تغن بالأمس كذلك نفصل الآيات لقوم يتفكرون. Now Allah is giving a parable here, and there's a lot of parables in the Qur'an, especially when it comes to dunya. Now the example of this worldly life, this life we're living in, you and me, is like a rain which was sent down from the sky. And then the plants of the earth absorbed, from which what's gonna happen? Plants comes in, men and the livestock eat. Now, when the earth has taken its beauty, adornment, and is beautified, and people suppose that they have complete control, capability over it, there comes to it our command, by the night or the day. And we made it or make it as a harvest, nothing, as if it had not flourished yesterday. Thus Allah is saying, we explain in detail the science for the people who give thought, people who reflect, people who see. What is Allah telling us? The reality of this world. Rain comes in, we are born. And then we grow up. The rain brings fruits, brings vegetation, plants, people and animals, livestock eats from it. We go in this life, we become adult, we become successful, we have children, we have family, we have everything we want, and we think we have it all, and we are under control. Everything is under our control. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, when people are happy with it, and they think they are it is under their control, ataha amruna. The commandment of Allah, or the commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, came a day or a night, meaning suddenly, and it became nothing, ashes. And you see this all the time in our daily life. Somebody was very successful, and suddenly he or she gets sick, and then they cannot do it anymore. They were very rich, investments, all this, and suddenly stock market crash, and they lose everything. May Allah protect everybody, and especially the children, their beautiful family, and the children, and the spouse. Something happened, a car accident, and they lose it. But the most important thing where Allah is here telling you and me is that at one point we will leave it all as if it was never there. كأن لم تغن بالأمس, as if it was not very beautiful yesterday. Meaning, I and you need to live with the following. We are here, but we are not here forever. We are here, it's beautiful, enjoy, but we are not here only to enjoy. So there is way more to talk about in dunya, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows we spend most of our time, all our time in dunya. So tomorrow, inshallah, I'll take you to another journey, another question about dunya in the Qur'an. What else Allah said about the dunya in the Qur'an? We'll see you tomorrow, inshallah.